If you want 2026 to feel different, you can't bring the same mindset from the last year. A stronger year starts with a stronger mind, and that strength isn't built by motivation. It's built by training. Today, you're going to learn how to train your mind the same way you would train your body, so you can walk through 2026 with clarity, discipline, and confidence. A lot of people think mental strength is something you're either born with or you magically wake up with. But the truth is, your mind becomes stronger every time you choose discomfort, discipline, and emotional control, even in small moments. And the new year is the perfect time to start that training. So let's break down the habits, mindset shifts, and daily decisions that will help you build a stronger mind in 2026. One that doesn't crumble under stress, doesn't collapse under pressure, and doesn't get shaken by overthinking. Just like training your body, you can't strengthen your mind without a foundation. That foundation is your baseline, the thoughts, habits, and emotions you return to automatically. If your baseline is chaos, your year will feel chaotic. If your baseline is clarity, everything becomes easier. So the first step is simple: lower your mental noise. Start your mornings with 3 things. 1. Quiet, no scrolling the second you wake up. 2. Breathing, slow, controlled breaths to take ownership of your body. 3. A single intention, not a to-do list, just one thing you want to feel or focus on. This is your warm-up, your mental warm-up. Do this daily, and your mind becomes less reactive and more stable. You can't control what you feel, but you can control what you do next. This is where real mental strength is built, in the space between emotion and response. When frustration shows up, pause. When overthinking pulls you in, pause. When someone tries to drain your peace, pause. That pause is not weakness, it's power. It's the mental equivalent of holding your balance before lifting a weight. Instead of reacting out of emotion, train yourself to respond with intention. Ask a simple question: what choice keeps my peace? The more you do this, the more you rewire your brain to act from clarity instead of chaos. This is one of the fastest ways to build inner strength in 2026. In 2026, stop looking for confidence and start building it. Confidence isn't a feeling. Confidence is the side effect of discipline. Every time you keep a promise to yourself, waking up early, staying consistent, choosing the healthy option, protecting your peace, you send a message to your brain: I can trust myself. And when you trust yourself, you become unstoppable. Discipline doesn't have to be extreme. It just has to be consistent. Small actions, repeated daily, create a mind that is stronger than excuses, stronger than mood swings, and stronger than external noise. When you apply these principles, your mind stops feeling like a battlefield and starts feeling like a tool, something you can actually use, control, and strengthen. You'll think clearer. You'll react slower. You'll feel more grounded. And most importantly, you'll walk into 2026 with a mind that's trained, not overwhelmed. That's real strength. If this helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more weekly mental strength training. And remember, a stronger year starts with a stronger mind. Your training begins now.